Welcome back! Today we'll be looking at how to build Mizora's headpiece. If you print yourself, you can grab these files from Crotech and I'll leave the link below. If you've bought the kit from us, then hopefully this video will help you get it all assembled. So if you've gotten the kit from us, you'll have the gem pieces printed in a clear red resin. If you add a red backing, it will really make them pop. So once all the main pieces have been painted gold, fill in with a red paint where the gems will be placed. Use glue and tweezers to help carefully place the gemstones. Some of the small ones are quite fiddly. I like to do this step first so that they can be set aside to dry whilst I look at the overall assembly. Here is a look at the general layout of the centre section of the headpiece. To keep it flexible and allow the piece to sit nicely on your head, I used a 1mm rod through the holes, snipped either side and then secured in place with a dab of glue. These front pieces assemble like so and just need gluing together. We then have these side pieces that assemble in this order. You'll find most pieces in the file have holes already, however I did have to drill in a couple more myself, so just be prepared for that. A small handheld drill will do the job perfectly. I then use gold jump rings to secure this line of pieces. Now we hop back to finishing off the centre assembly. I used slightly bigger jump rings this time to secure the front section to the centre section just because of the size of the piece. All around the sides of her head, these pieces have a long charm dangling. The solid ones will need a hole drilling. Now we can start to look at the order for the side pieces, along with the hoops that go around the horns. At this point, it's useful to point out here that human form Mizora does have a slightly different looking headpiece. This customer had ordered the set with the horns too, so you'll see me use additional chain for the smaller of the horns to go through. Now to get them all connected with more jump rings. If you don't already have one, I really recommend getting this ring I'm wearing to help open up the jump rings. I'm just going to show this assembly for one side so that I can keep this video to the point, but if you have any questions, please drop a comment or send us a message on socials and I'll be happy to help. Here we get to that optional chain. You can of course still have this chain if you're doing human form, and it's probably fine to just dangle. I don't think it's going to look particularly out of place, and if you're wanting to switch between the forms, who really wants to make two whole headpieces anyway? Finally, we get to the back pieces of the headpiece and the last couple of circles at the front. And here are the horns and headpiece all done. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in cosplay builds, model painting or 3D printing, then you have found the perfect channel. Please do drop a sub and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Special thanks to our patrons who help make these videos possible, in particular a shout out to our students and apprentices, Elisa May, Malik Thomas, Ryan Allen the 3D Acolyte, Seth the Overwitch and Blaze Light. Thank you all so much and we'll catch you soon.